All right, so your independent practice today is going to be to answer the essential question in a CEAS. Now, our essential question is, was Gandhi's Salt March successful? You are going to use the reading that I just read in the last video and that you just completed those questions about. You are going to use this to answer that question. Okay, so your claim is going to be answering this question. Going over our modules the last 5 weeks, we are not necessarily answering these questions. These sentence stems are there to help guide your answer, but what we're doing is just kind of inputting our own thoughts in here and not actually looking at the question and answering it. So what you need to do here is put in your claim, your answer to this question. Evidence, sentence stem is there. You are going to choose a piece of evidence from here that is either showing that this salt march was successful or showing that this salt march was not successful. You are going to then explain your answer, right? How that supports your claim. And then you are going to choose one of the SHIP analysis that you are going to write here. A lot of you guys are doing more work and putting in all three. Go for it. That's great. Just better practice. But you only need to do one when you're writing a CEAS. Okay? When you are done with the independent practice, you're going to go ahead and go to the mastery check. This is the link here. The link is also, once again, up at the top of the module. So you can just click on that, take it. I think there are 3 questions, if I remember correctly, to this one. They've all been made before. But shouldn't take long. You should be in a good place. And you are done with Module 2 for week 6.